How to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity error. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further scroll down and navigate to the support option and tap on that. You will then see the option for Cash App card. Tap on that. Now, scroll down again and tap on the chat option you see there. Simply briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative and hopefully they will help you verify your identity on Cash App. So, this is how you can fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.